didn't see this one, did you? 2 shirts in this box.
I did see that.
Is it what? Just what I have. Yeah, that might have to go to your brother.
Why don't we put one in your room and one in Will's room?
That's a good, yeah. Look at Lucy in her little house.
Did
Baby
we
Will
get-
got
did we get the thing
Woody.
I wanted to get for her?
Grandma's opening up her presents. The Penguins won the Stanley Cup on TV.
Can you help somebody?
Didn't you open up enough?
Willie. Will, say hi.
L-U-C-Y.
L-U-C-Y, there's one right there.
Why not?
I don't know. L-U-C-Y.
Grandpappy, your present's open. I've got the camera up, so let's open things.
Okay. Here we go. I got a
I got it.
tripod flash.
Oh, yes. Something that,
And I got some nuts, and I got a bottle of booze from my daughter.
yep, and some whiskey rocks.
Yes, and
See,
some
Pam
whiskey
101 buys
rocks.
the own stuff she puts on the blog.
Okay, I need something to open this with.
I don't know. I don't have anything to open it with. What's in the cup?
And there's like 15 things back here.
Oh, Lord. Everyone's opening up stuff. Oh, Will wants his doll.
I got it's a Pampers. I got Pampers.
No, it's an apple peeler. Mom said you wanted an apple peeler.
My Pampers Chef. I thought it was Pampers since I'm over 60.
Lucy, show me your jelly necklace.
Okay, wait, buddy.
Can you turn it
Apple
around so the
peeler.
jelly shows?
All right.
Lucy's got the jelly, and Aunt Pam's got the peanut
Pampers
butter.
Chef
We're
apple
best friends.
peeler. Oh,
Grandma's
it's the
opening up
same
with
old
another
guy.
present Grandma's got. I got it, Luce. Thanks.
Silver earrings, Liz.
Ooh,
Dog.
Oh,